It can still land do fine, while in the north I stayed alone. Through storms and gales, our hearts entwine, trying to capture the feelings oh so fine. But every verse, it seems to rain. The sorrow pours, intensifies the pain. Yet through the parting, we come to see the fragile bonds that bind you and me. Through trials and tests, our pact is sealed. Every hardship, our love revealed. Once by the window, our dreams took flight, arrows of hope piercing through the night. But every verse, it seems to rain. The sorrow pours, intensifies the pain. Yet through the partings, we come to see the fragile bonds that bind you and me. The shadows dance, we find our way through twists and turns, night and day. Our gazes meet, unwavering and true. In this stormy world, it's me and you. But every verse, it seems to rain. The sorrow pours, intensifies the pain. Yet through the partings, we come to see the fragile bonds that bind you and me. In deep places of wind and rain, our hearts are always connected by name. Through trials and tears, we find our way. Stronger together, we'll never stray. Forever bound, no matter the distance. Our love stretches across every existence. In the depths of our souls, a constant flame. In deep places of wind and rain.